Welcome back to Nature's Delight. My Bible is open. This video will be talking about your potential. You can do it, whatever you put your mind to. Why? Because God said so. The things we are capable of is amazing. I will lie if I say it's easy for us to change. Philippians 4 verse 13. For all things I have the strength through the one who gives me power. 1 Corinthians chapter 15 verse 51. Look, I tell you a sacred secret. We will not all fall asleep in death, but we will all be changed. When we allow ourselves to change, we will soon realize doing old things of the past isn't for us anymore, and that's okay. Ephesians chapter 1 verse 18. He has enlightened the eyes of your heart so that you may know to what hope he called you, what glorious riches he holds as an inheritance for the holy ones. Proverbs chapter 16 verse 9. A man may plot out his course in his heart, but it is Jehovah who directs his steps. Isaiah chapter 40 verse 31. But those hoping in Jehovah will regain power. They will soar on wings like eagles. They will run and not grow weary. They will walk and not tire out. Matthew chapter 7 verses 7 and 8. Keep on asking and it will be given to you. Keep on seeking and you will find. Keep on knocking and it will be open to you. For everyone asking receives, and everyone seeking finds, and to everyone knocking it will be open. Mark chapter 11 verse 24 and 25. This is why I tell you all the things you pray and ask for. Have faith that you have received them, and you will have them. And when you stand praying, forgive whatever you have against anyone, so that your Father who is in heaven may also forgive you of your trespasses. With reaching your full potential, you have to take ownership of your situation. Everything happens for a reason. In closing, you have the potential to do whatever you put your mind to. And if you feel like you're lacking confidence, which is normal, check out my video, Lord Help Us Restore Confidence. So remember, God loves you. God created you for purpose. God created you for achievement and fulfillment. God believes in you. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to this channel. I want to hear from you all. Did this video help you realize your potential? If so, please leave a comment below. Until next time, blessings to all.